What to do, y'all, man? We back with another one, man. Just not tuned into the channel, man. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I drop a video. We back up here at A&S Transmission, man, to check on the Trackhawk. I got an update for y'all. I did talk to the, so look, before I even get started. So, boom, this was the whole thing. So, I was trying to see, as far as, like, what the warranty company was going to do, because I got an extended warranty. And so I was trying to see what route, as far as like, did I want to just try to see, was I going to get a new OEM transmission, or did I want to just go get a built one? So I really had two options. So I was looking at Simple, and then I was looking at Pure Drivetrain Solutions. So Pure Drivetrain Solutions was probably like $1,200, $1,300 cheaper than Simple. But it would have had to come out of my pocket. So then I was like, all right, well, let me just see what the warranty company say and, like, what they going to do. So the warranty company want them to put in a used transmission. But they was like, nah, with this type of vehicle, we prefer not to put a used transmission in there. So if we're going to put another OEM transmission in there, it's going to be a new one. So they was like, well, look, check this out. You can do two options. You can either go buy your own transmission and we'll put it in and just charge you labor costs, or you can go ahead and go through with the warranty. You can give us authorization to go through with the warranty, and you'll get an OEM transmission, and it's warranted for 3 years with them. So if anything go wrong with the transmission, again, within 3 years or 100,000 miles, it's totally covered and everything. So I'm like, yeah. Fuck it, why not? But I am gonna get a built transmission, bro. But just right now. Just not right now. I think a stock transmission I think it's capable of like 900 wheel. So yeah, man. But I'm about to. It's cold as heck out here, bro. I'm about to walk in here real quick and see if I can get a little footage of the track. I can see what's going on. If y'all didn't see my last video, that's the owner car right there, man. He got the C7. I'm tripping. He got the C706 right there, man, on the drag pack, and y'all see he got that red interior right there, man. But just to give y'all a little update on the Hawk, man, so they about to, they're going to start on this soon. Like I said, I just got off the phone with the warranty people, so we decided to go ahead and do that or whatever. So they haven't gotten started on it yet, but that's the plan. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and keep the OEM transmission right now. But, in the future, man, I'm probably going to go with a built one. And it's either gonna be between Simple or Pure Drivetrain, but I don't know, man. I'm really thinking about just going ahead and going with Pure Drivetrain Solutions. They got like 3 different stages, man. Stage 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, that should be pretty exciting. But for what I got going on right now, OEM trans, man, probably gonna be what I'm gonna go through right now. Cause I ain't making 900 wheel, bro. Or am I? No, I'm not making 900 wheel, but it's pretty close. But yeah, it should be ready for that, man. So hopefully within the next week or so, should be back up and running. I talked to everybody, and they pretty much said the same thing with these trucks, man. So, bro, but I did find out that Cone just released a blower for the Hellcat platform, a Cone 2650 blower, and it's OEM fitment. And y'all let me know, man. I'm thinking about taking this lid off and paint it, man. Now I did see a guy, man, he painted his. He didn't even take his off. He just disconnected like the throttle body hoses and all the map sensors and whatnot, and then he pretty much just had a garbage bag here. He had garbage bags everywhere, spread it out, taped around, you know what I'm saying, all that just to make sure that none of the paint got inside anywhere that it wasn't supposed to get inside. And it was pretty easy, and it came out fire. So, you know what I'm saying? We're going to see, man. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a little update on what we had going on. And I'm going to check back in with y'all later, man. As y'all can see, I'm right back down here at A&S Transmission, man. And I finally got my truck done. They called me and said the truck was ready. The transmission been put in. So we finna walk in here, man. And, you know what I'm saying? See what the deal is, man. Y'all hang tight for a second, man. Man. Y'all see, man, this is the first time I seen one of these Hellcat Durangos in the city, man. The guy that owned the tattoo shop named Bo, man. Pulled up, when he first pulled up, I thought it was a SRT, man, but came back, man, and saw this big cat on the side, man. So this more clean though, man. Got the stripes going down the front of it. You know what I'm saying? Something about that black, man. Those red seats, yeah. Got the red seats on the inside. I asked him, did he do anything to it, man? He said it's still stock, man. So he said he thinking about doing a pulley or something, man. But, you know, I just had to throw that in there, man. But then y'all already know, you know, that's the owner car right there who did my work, man. 06. Sitting right there, he threw the drag pack on there, man. That's a sexy beast right there, man. But yeah, bro, I'm about to hop back in the Trackhawk. Trackhawk finally done. Transmission didn't got up in there, so I'm about to bag that joint out and, you know what I'm saying, we gonna go ahead and take it to the house, man. Man, so I ain't have my stand, man. So first time hearing the truck crank up in shit, it been like a month or two, man, for real. It been about almost 2 months. I miss that sound right there, man. I miss that sound. As y'all can see, man, I'm finally back in the Hawk, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been without my truck for like almost 2 months, bro. And man, I finally got the Hawk back. And I can't wait to break it in, man. Like I said, it's a brand new transmission. So of course, I'm not gonna beat on it like that, man, as of now. But I got to, you know what I'm saying, break it in a little bit. You know, just like any car you get from the dealership, or any sports car you get from the dealership, man. They say you got to break it in for like 500 miles before you just show no beat on it, man. But yeah, bro, I was just cruising around, and then the guy who did it, man, like I said, hey, shout out to A&S Performance in Prattville, man. If you need any transmission work done, man, hey, holla at them, bro, because I'm telling you, man, they're good, and they care about your car. They're not gonna just tell you no BS. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna actually diagnose your stuff and actually tell you what's wrong with it. And then if when they fix it, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be better than it was before. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I drove it a little bit before I turned this video on, man, and bro, like the shift, like you can tell it's a new transmission, done good, put together good, man. Cause you know what I'm saying, everything is just shifting smoother than it was before. But yeah, man, definitely shout out to them guys, man. Like I said, the owner got a 06. Y'all just saw I was talking to the owner of the tattoo shop across the street. He got the Hellcat Durango, man. But I'm gonna let this break in a little bit, man. And before I know y'all want to see some more pool videos. It's so much stuff I've been waiting to do to this truck, man. But I had to wait because I had to wait till I get it back. Like I got the GoPro 360. Like the content finna go crazy now, man. Now that I got my truck back, content finna go crazy, bro. So I'm finna, yo, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm so excited. I'm finally happy to get my truck back, man. Like I said, I want to stomp on it, but I ain't. You know what I'm saying? But y'all hear that be with it. Y'all hear that be with it. Look how she shifted, man. You know what I'm saying, man? I missed that, bro. I missed that. You did. Yes, sir, man. I forgot. I know y'all can tell I'm excited, man. But yo, man, I ain't even gonna make this video that long about it, man. But yeah, I got the truck back, bro. To the next clip. Oh, listen, man. I didn't know I was gonna have to make so many parts to this video. I came outside to crank up the Hawk, man, and the battery is completely dead because in these trucks it got two different cigarette lighters. It got one in the front and then it got one in the back. I mean, my bad. Well, it got one in the back too. You know, it got a plug in the back. Anyway, it got one in the front up here by the gear, by the shifter. Then it got one right here in the armrest. The one right here in the armrest, and you plug something into that, that's the one that stay on when the truck is not running. And I had something plugged up in there, bro. Forgot it because I enjoyed the truck in like a week when I got it back from the transmission shop. So I had something plugged up in there, forgot to unplug it, dog, and it completely drained the battery. I tried to jump it off, but it was too weak, so I charged it, and I charged it overnight, dog, and it still didn't do nothing. So I think one of the cells in the battery is actually done with. But I got a warranty on that battery, so I'm gonna take that back and get a new battery, and I'm gonna come back, crank it up, man, and we're gonna go for a test drive in the house. So let's do it.